Hello, myself Dr. Kailash, consulting dermatologist and medical director of Clear Skin Hair and Layer Center, Kannur. Today we are going to discuss about fibroproliferative disorders of the skin such as keloid and hypertrophic scars. Keloid and hypertrophic scars are caused by abnormal healing of the injured or irritated skin such as trauma, burn, surgery, vaccination, ear piercing, acne, herpes zoster and so on. Keloid scars are raised, round or oval with regular margins, and some with irregular margins have a crab claw-like look. Keloids are firm, rubbery, shiny lesions with smooth surface and extend beyond the edges of original wound or trauma. Keloid can occur anywhere on the body but occur more commonly over the lower part of the face, neck, ear, chest, shoulders and upper arm. They are often associated with itching, pain, anxiety or depression and disruption of daily activities. Color may range from brown to dark brown or pink to cherry red. Hypertrophic scars are similar, slightly smaller than keloid, develop directly at the wound site and do not go beyond the boundaries of injury. They are often raised, red and regress over time. Hypertrophic scars are flexible in nature and deposited with excess amount of collagen fibrous connective tissue and often contain nerves and blood vessels. Keloid and hypertrophic scars both are raised to have a heaped up appearance. These scars rise above the rest of the skin. Keloid remain elevated above 4 mm to the skin surface. Treatment. The treatment for keloid and hypertrophic scars are similar, but hypertrophic scars have a better prognosis with age. Hypertrophic scars can easily be treated, however, keloids are resistant to treatment. Treatment is based upon the depth, size and location of keloid. There are different treatments available. Medical treatment. Topical silicone gel or cream or sheet are useful to some extent. Intralesional steroid or 5-FU or verapamil injections are often used to stop the growth of keloid. Injecting long-acting steroid into the keloid once a month is most effective first-hand treatment. Other options include retinoic acid, interferon therapy, doxorubicin, bleomycin, imiquimod cream, tamoxifen, and anti-angiogenic agents such as VEGF inhibitors, bevacizumab, and TNF inhibitors, etanercept, which are all directed to decrease collagen synthesis. Compression therapy or pressure garment suppresses collagen production. Occlusive scar dressing should be worn for at least 2 to 3 months and can be extended as per requirement. Cryotherapy, in which most common cryogen liquid nitrogen is used by dermatologists for small and limited keloids and often used parallel to steroid injection. Laser or energy-based treatments. Laser therapy is very good at improving skin texture and color and in combination with other treatment flatten out the clear eye. Pulse dye laser is most effective if used early and in combination with other techniques. The principal effect of pulse dye laser is on scar microvasculature, reducing erythema, pruritus and improving skin texture with significant improvement in the scar. Long pulse 1064 NdArc. This laser works by suppressing neovascularization in hypertrophic and keloid scars. Fractional CO2 in debulking mode to create deep channels into the thick scar tissue, and if used for consecutive months in combination with collagen remodeling agent can almost flatten hypertrophic scar and keloid. Fractional MNRF and individual radiofrequency devices in combination with cryo and intralesional steroids give excellent results. Energet uses jet volumetric remodeling technology to introduce healing agent hyaluronic acid deep into dermal layer of the skin for reduction of keloid. As it is noted, there is significant decrease in hyaluronic acid in these scar tissues. Surgical excision can be done for larger, more extensive and especially for keloid over the external ears with radiofrequency device or CO2 laser. Radiation therapy carried out soon after surgery. Treatment protocol for management of these scars will extend from 6 months to 2 years, once in a month as outpatient based sessions. We at Clear Skin Laser Center equip with the most advanced, time-tested and evidence-based US FDA approved laser and energy-based treatments for hypertrophic and keloidal scars.
We proudly say that, at present, we are the only center in India to provide all these technologies under the eminent guidance of Dr. Kailash.